Hey, what's up everyone? It's Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a cell night gray. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a brushed aluminum running board, black Ambitex leather interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, plenty of space back here. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which will give you blind spot assist, keyless go, a brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in here, we've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start this up. This one also does come with the parking assist package, which is going to give you a rear view surround system with parking sensors in the front and rear. We've got navigation, our hard keys, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our command center with our dynamic selects. This vehicle has 49,400 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.